yeah, so we've got everything ready. We've got our bin bags, our stickers, oh my god! Well, basically Sam just hit a squirrel, that's what that is, and I'm going to stop filming now because 2 bad things have happened, so 3rd one's guaranteed. Bye, see you in a sec.
By doing that, you never know.
Made it.
Is that the quick detail? Oh, no, final.
Everyone gets a sticker. Stickers.
So we just gone around the meet handing out our little stickers. I was going to sell them and then I thought, no, I'm going to give them out because why not? So we've all gone out and handed out our stickers. Look, here we go. I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that came. The turnout was amazing, to be fair, like a lot better than I was expecting. brilliant. We got to go around and meet a lot of people. I put little stickers on everyone's cars that I drew, because I was going to sell them, and then I was just like, do you know what, no, I just want to give them out because I wanted everyone to have them. But yeah, so we're all heading off to Mackey's to have a little bit of food before we disappear home, and then it's time to get ready for racing tomorrow, so see how that goes. But yeah, a big thank you to everybody who came, because to be fair, it was a really nice day, and it was just nice to meet everyone and just have a car meet, like, because obviously we haven't been able to this year, so yeah. And then also, like, a big thanks to Sam and Mark who helped me organise it, and Adam as well. Thank you so much for letting us use the 61 location. Obviously that helped bring in a lot more people. But yeah, and it was just really nice to meet everyone. Everyone was so friendly and chatty, and couldn't have asked for a better day, really. But yeah, see you all again soon, guys. Just make sure to like and subscribe, check out KSP Cartel, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!